Ndemo Steven asogotwaliganiria orobotirwa senchira iyo wikiranu kwento gotigana nayo Ndemo Steven nagosuka mutu ase orobotiru ndeni kongo kumanyibuna kampuni ya Davis and Shirtliff ni golitkolia rero yarwa maigere gochia ase aba engineer kurwa sensemo ya mache asoko eneki obokoreri obuya ase emirimo yabo abaigere ayo nigo akorwa ase chi county isato county ya Migori Kisii na Boigo Nyamira ase baragwa no manager korwa orosagirwa Kisii oyu erera engencho ya maigeri ayo murikito Evelyn Osero norobotera senchera iyo bwikiranu
aba engineer ba mache korwa sechi county na Boigo sub county korwa Kisii Nyamira na Migori ritkoria rero nigo banyora maigerio korwa se company ya Davis and Shirtliff kubwatkana nobokoreri bwabo omuroberi oragwa na Dennis Miranyi oyoro moteneri bwe company eyo orosayarwa Kisii
goto bari atamo to trainer mangana solar pumping na generators egera ba understanding akibago chotumeke binde kyana buto ko abuna the final consumer siege product echi kibire field na urwa mayanga kiba bako bitume so ekera ba cross provision or understanding nkibago supervise ba contract nchi kolete bintu ba understanding ninki
ekirenge kenene kya maigeri ayo no bakoreri obwororo gochia somwa na nchi na kumokea neria rigoriria gwakanira mache
what we are focusing on no go transform chi county kogenda gotumeka solar pumping is a cheaper option kiagara wananchi bali gochiko ba forced work na bills
omo director wa mache county ya Kisii niga kambu ya se company ya Davis and Shirtliff na Boigo serikali ya Kisii asemerobero ya mache ime county ya Kisii na goteba amaigeri ayo na chigokonya mono asobokoreri we county ya Kisii.
This module of training them so that they can be professional in their area of work. At the same time, it helps them also to supervise our project.
Asensemo yayo mu director bwa mache county ya Migori nigateba bananchi babiri bagochandeka segeka asauro kyo kwegena kwa monchorerio na oteba mbachi kubwaterana ne company ya Davis and Shirtliff werio kororobya obogima bwo Kenya.
I want to say that going forward we are going to partner with the Davis and Shirtliff to ensure that our main water supply or water treatment scheme will be having a hybrid or blended system.
Engineer Kenneth Omoyo nigo aganya chi count ko bwaterana na Davis and Shirtliff irigo ikerania obokoreri borobya.
Cost of bills chikogenda as water, it's very costly. That money can be substituted to do other projects. We therefore asking the county government a partner with this Shirtliff. Therefore, banyare goto such kind of products nyare okora both in the plants as a chibol chiri county chia mire schools and all that.
Douglas Mbura oyoro yo mobwa engineer korwa se county ya Nyamira nigaine kyabuna county ya Nyamira nigo yacha kiremerobero au eyo barachikogendereria eryo gokonya abananchi.
Nyamira, we have several projects that we have been implementing. We have borehole projects. And we also have water treatment projects that are some of the projects that we started from the last financial year that we are going to be implementing this going forward this financial year.
Engineer Miranyi ni gaine kebuna aba engineer bubanyora maigerio machiko watch certificate chobokoreri obuya.
Ngo battery certificates for Davis and Shirtliff authorized by EBK Engineers Registration Board. So the engineers were registered kibachaga go forward to Ramaleta gochia se EBK egera considered for award of professional development points.
Nigo bakora so gwakambya mono asibalibons baikirana asa maigeri ayo na oteba bunamba chikobwaterana erio korwa obokoreri obuya na nene korobya obogima bwo mwananchi.
Appreciate for the huge turnout total from both the counties Nyamira, Kisii na Migori, and I hope going forward into a partner to make sure abantu baito county ejinga nyarabade chi project chile chingia chile sustainable na chikokonya abananchi bakawaida sebinyoro bitu.
We are looking forward to working together with other partners, particularly Davis and Shirtliff, so that they can also offer us the technical expertise that they have so that we can actually achieve our goals.
Nomoroberio okorekana somo bogani oyo moime yo muchobo songo ase abanyinya banke baba goikerana abo banyora maigerio ayora chikoba konya asobokoreri bwabo. Ko reporterega seni kya Ndizi TV erietariane Evelyn Osero.
Mbia bana sana Evelyn Osero asogotwaliganiria